Okay, good day, viewers. Depending on where you are watching from, I have problem. I want to really emphasize something on Lambert W function. This is how you see a problem. Then for you to look for X is the problem. Okay. Um, to stop talking, let me just solve something. Let me emphasize on something. If we have something like 1/2 exponential x is equal to 2e. I just formed the question to use it and do some certain illustration. This time this is what, if I want to do cross multiplication, here become 2 times this is 4, that is exponential x is equal to 4 exponential. You see, 2 times 2 is 4, right? Okay. What if I introduce natural log to both sides? I introduce my natural log to both sides, the natural log to both sides. Have you seen? I've been able to introduce my natural log to both sides. So now in logarithm, the powers combine. So this becomes x ln of what? E is equal to ln of 4e. Right? Okay, let me do something here because there is a law of log that stated that if you have something like mn, it is equal to log m plus n. Okay, let me introduce this one here. Let me interpret this. So here becomes what? Ln of 4 plus what? Ln of e. I've been able to interpret this now. This is 4n, 4e, 4e, that is mn. So here becomes x ln of e. Then ln of e is what? Is 1, right? In mathematics, that becomes 1. So this becomes ln 4 plus 1. Remember that this is multiplication. X times 1 is x. Then this one is ln plus 1. Right? Okay. Okay, what if we have something like this? What if we have something like x exponential x divided by 2 is equal to 2e? There's another illustration on the board. So I want to emphasize on something. See, using this thing now, multiplication. This time this is what? 4. Then we have exponential e, x exponential x is equal to 2e. Okay. Yeah, 4. Sorry, here become 4 because 2 times 2 is 4, right? Yeah, that is true. Then what if I introduce my natural log to both sides? This into this. Have you seen what I'm doing there? I have introduced my natural log to both sides now. Then here become definitely, here become, okay, let me use the product rule also here. Product rule in logarithm. Here becomes, I don't know what is wrong with this marker. Here becomes ln, here becomes ln of x using the product rule now plus ln of exponential x is equal to ln of 4 plus 1. See what I'm doing there? What I'm trying to do is, that's multiplication rule now. That's multiplication rule. Now, okay, I'll bring down this, the power behind. Here becomes ln of x plus x ln of e is equal to ln of 4 plus 1. Right? Here becomes 1 now. In mathematics, here is 1. So that becomes ln of x plus 1 is equal to ln of 4 plus 1. Okay, here becomes x. Sorry, here is x because here is 1. X times 1 is x. No matter how talented you are, you cannot find the value of x here. I'm telling you the gospel truth. No matter how talented you are, no matter how talented you are, you can never look for the value of x here. That is when, have you seen the two different answers here? X is equal to ln plus 4. But this one is ln x plus x is equal to ln of 4 plus 1. That is when we introduce our Lambert W function. Have you seen? Our Lambert W function. If we introduce our Lambert W function, when we plug in anything, if this is my flower, exponential flower is equal to my flower that I plug in. Then the Lambert W function of x exponential x is equal to x. That means that from here, if I plug in my Lambert W function, I'll have my value of x here instead of this. So now some certain question we cannot find the value of x, but if we plug in our Lambert W function, we have x. I don't know whether you clear these two illustration, you understand. This one we have the value of x, but this one we cannot have the value of x. What I'm trying to say that if I plug in my Lambert W function here, definitely I will have my x. For example, if here I'll just plug in my Lambert W function here into x exponential x is equal to what? This and this. So I have here to be x is equal to what? Is equal to what? The log function of 4a. That is the right way to solve something like this. That is the correct answer. But here we cannot look for the value of x. I'm telling you the truth. So now continue learning and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more illustration. Thank you. Bye bye.